Mbondema na again taking a kwamon. Ashomkunu pay attention and this video Joseph Okechukwu man. This video is very very powerful. Achom Johnson hebana Ibulonyen ihe no man amasi Ibas no. Nene this video with open mind. I beg of you. I beg you in the name of whatever you worship. This video is very very important for you, Igbo. Because now I'll keep hammering on these things. BBC, Al Jazeera, CNN, balance those things also. BBC agenda now because I have to show you how is we making it to your bagala na nearby. Kechi bagala Nigeria kahalo we name. So Trump better so that Trump but as Trump will leave the matter on ground. Chobazi Hozo. That is exactly who they are. BBC, you are the first people report to Nambana na everything in happen in Afghanistan. And a reporter when the DM we go and these people intentionally Joe Biden intentionally hapolo ham go my plane my helicopter my this so that can we make we expand the one. The Bible has again I am mineral resources alone. BBC knows what they are doing. That was why I had you edit a video Donald Trump you Yesua. Some of their editors already resign now. Some of their staffs resign. And maybe they are hiding it from the masses. Some of their staffs resign because this is not the first time. Sorry, this is not really the first time. Even had Donald Trump before. BBC ha boro ibe mmadụ na-eje enweta news ndị abụ ndị I keep saying it. Donald Trump said no yesu ha $1 billion sue. $1 billion sue ko yesu ha. They apologized. So they admitted na edit if they can edit a speech of the president of the United States of America. Who is you Africa na hama edit post to tina their appeal so that kiye obala we na de. Again this video very very well. Kiye what are the game on ground, including this Mazen Nnamdi Kanu issue. Issue. BBC bute a report on Basena. Hey, TB Joshua Juka Webelon Kabolon cause because now TB Joshua no all they planned before they planned a lot of things. Man, they don't want to bring it out. Ozubo TB Joshua a report nka Juka documentary adronka. Or BBC ne engineer those things. Or BBC buzo we banyana news we blues we bugalewa maka Gaddafi. They use BBC to sell out the minds of Libya till today. Libya are regretting their actions. When Ndocha bataze anasina Ndocha invaded Libya. Libya diaka invade you onwe ha. Ahapụzia the matter on ground. Treat weza ụmụazị ibinyele egbe ka ha we fight ya their own. After na reporter na abịa ebule helicopter na distribute egbe. Why are they always the only ones that Anna Grant ka ha jeme interview na terrorist headquarter everyone headquarter? Why are they always the ones BBC, CNN and Al Jazeera? Ohanwa were the highest reporters. Ohanwa. Mgbe ndị Ukraine buzo were to bomb BBC ekwere ikwu ya. Even when mgbe Russia ekwubodo okwu ibebe inu ogo nyana ha na ndị hiri ikwu imene BBC bulugu ụzọ report ba nyemekwa nka men cause. Watch this video, pay attention to it. Biko kanayo, pay attention to it. Make sure you share this video. Code one.
Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great today. Okay, so I have so much to say, but I won't say it all. And it looks like I'm gonna speak a little bit of Igbo in this video. So, Obone Boni Igbo, and you're listening to me now. Achomki Gemonti. Unu na yo na funa. Ihe me nwanne nwoke Nnamdi Kanu We had Kwadu a long time ago. It's a plan. I don't really know a lot of people who were not expecting this to happen. I personally was expecting it to happen. But always something in the Igbo caveat to this. Naturally speaking, they have psychologically prepared us enough for it. But no matter how much anyone prepares you for something like this, barefaced, glaring injustice, given that we are in a country where terrorists who kill, and they don't just kill, they do sacrificial killing. They kill in the most horrific manner known to mankind. They just get taken to a place where they call rehabilitation center, where they basically just take care of them, give them VIP treatments, and then the next minute they call them repentant terrorists and are integrated into the Nigerian system. In a country that does this, a country that tolerates hardened terrorists, globally proscribed, having peace talks with government authorities, having press conferences, terrorists that disembowel pregnant women, take their children, the babies out of their wombs and then kill the babies, are pardoned without even a chastisement, nothing, just pardoned, integrated, all VIP. In a country that is like that, one would expect that it is absolutely impossible to sentence a man like Nnamdi Kanu for what he said in a broadcast. But we are living in a theater of the absurd. Nigeria is a quintessence of absurdities. But that's not even where I am going. Nene benaga. Ken Munti. Unu nayo na funa since kamwe Donald Trump mecha luta Nigeria for all their wickedness and crimes. Chupuna wenya ike owe designate Nigeria. That ever since then, when he went there, Ezigbo watching there, all of them have been fighting, looking for how to say that it is the problem of Igbo people. No Ndigbo melo Trump juwe lota Nigeria. Etosi we lota Nigeria now. The same BBC that coined the propaganda terminology of Igbo Q was the first to fire the first shot by claiming that it was IPOB affiliated organizations that carried out the campaign to Donald Trump. Kewe man against those guys no kafa we bidaga bubendi bai. Nka make the kwa make on a chi walk on your ebute kwa another one. Nka make kwa gonna be trend on mukwa ebute kwa another one again now. That knows some biafra we put some stupid document has now with them from 2021. Meanwhile, Trump had already designated Nigeria in 2020 before. Natural death. So basically, if you look at it, if you have noni bihariak everywhere, now try to have a way rope Ndigbo in. Kebidaga before Donald Trump, Polundia Milan, and Nigeria. He had put the plan. Had Chohoka Ndigbo di normal, di okay, di sane. Before Trump land there, because now Malugo Namwe Trump ga land in Nigeria within them, and all got fear of how we carry out their plans against Ndigbo. That is why Iha Melu Nnamdi Kanu Juwebia, to me, not as a surprise, but as a setup or distraction or setup. Actual Candibai react here. ka ndị be anyị bido declare basitatom nka na Igbo ka wee nwee ike iburuzi ndị befa yi uniform wee jee ebe a sị na enwego serious threat in that place, na enwe serious, enwe ike declare state of emergency na be anyị wee kpoluzie uniform repentant ihe nwana ha nwe wee unleash on our people. Mgbe repentant terrorists bịazi na-abanye na amị na-abanye na polisi, ebe ka iche na ndị niile ahụ etinyegasị na amị nọ. Ndị be anyị gekwanụ m ntị o. Since the Civil War of 1967 and 1970, anyị adịbekwa anywhere close to freedom as we are today. Not for once. Chineke na azagokwa ekpere anyị o. Not to hear your brother now, because I'm in a place where I should know. I have never come across an Igbo person. Maybe there are one or two exceptions, but it's hard. I've not come across an Igbo person that deep down in their soul does not wish and pray for Chineke na to zana our ekpere freedom ka anyị nwere onwe anyị. Onye Igbo ọbụla ifo nwere ala nne ya but this pain and this burden na bali everywhere. Mwana wasiki as your own brother no ni isi mmiri maybe hesieme that na Chineke na zage belawa, not that no na cheese just zage already. Ndia we na chozi ke provoke anyị ka anyị mee something ọ ga-aba anyị mee tupu nyemaka na achi bịa elu anyị aka ọbụna ha egbuto sigo ndị be anyị niile. Ihe agwa set up. So achọrọ m inweta video a kesasia video to as many people as possible. One the buying in and I'm say onye ọbụla dere n'uju una aṅụ na ngwo na nkwụ na abịa. At the US Congress hearing on the designation of Nigeria, hearing now take place right now, a congressman, black man, literally was speaking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to the hearing of the whole world media not there. The guy when they disgrace Nigeria with the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu even mentioned that the guy had to defend himself with sickness and everything. Yet terrorists are walking around free, holding press conferences. Owanina Malugo, Nigeria is dancing naked, completely naked in front of the whole world, and only Nigeria seems not to know that it is naked. Happen to Nigeria, okay? Happen to Nigeria. Una dabakwana na trap in the Nigeria. Dono muna kananti, jidono muna aka. Una wakwana anwa. Overreact to heneme nwanne woke because decision on our brother. Mpotia Adiko decided I will not speak more than that. Una anwa we banye na trap mpakara ndi ukwensua. Because I daba na trap fa more deaths for us. Don't worry yourself about Mazi. Lotana Mbwagia today. Nwanne woke ya puta. And it will happen soon. God bless you.